Hello and welcome. It's Logic again. I've decided to make yet another video about another feature of EZBoards, which is called Customboard. And this lets you design your own kneeboards. Now this is a bit an odd man because it's contrary to the rest of the EZBoards tools. This one is not related to the BMS briefings file. So this is really an option where you design your own kneeboards. And it's a one-time thing. You design your kneeboards, you put them on the in-game kneeboards, and that's it. So it's not done every time you run a new mission. Now I've got some examples here in the custom folder, and they ship with EZBoards. Is a number of HTML files which is predefined here, and I just open one to show you. So this, for example, is a start checkup list. So very simple, and the idea is that you modify these files as you want and put any information on it as you want. It's simple HTML, so everyone with a bit of experience in editing HTML can edit these files. As you can see, it's very simple. And then the idea is to put them on the kneeboards. So I'll show you how to do it. That Customboard is a command line application, so you need to open a command prompt. It's not that simple. Actually, if you double click on Customboard, it will tell you its use. You need to use it with basically 3 arguments. The first one is the input HTML file you want to convert. The second one, you will give a path to the output PNG image file. And the third one, which is optional, is the kneeboard identifier that is used to specify the kneeboard where you want to put the resulting image on. And it uses the same syntax that I already showed you for EZBoards. So you can specify the F15 files from F15_1 to F16, or the F16 kneeboard files from _1 L for left to 16 right. So let's see how to do this. Okay, so in order to open a command prompt, you can just type CMD in the title bar here, and Windows will open a command prompt on the folder that you had in your Explorer, so in this case the EZBoards folder. And then let's begin to type cust and then CUSTOMBOARD.BAT. And so the first argument was the HTML file that we're going to use as the input. So this one is residing in the custom folder, and it's called kneeboard checklist 1 HTML. The second argument will be the name of an image file. So we're putting this into our images folder, which already exists here. Images. Let's just call it checklist1.png. And the third argument is the kneeboard specifier. We'll put it on a kneeboard for the F16. We put it on the second kneeboard of the left side. Enter this. So this is our first kneeboard that we have set up. Let's do another one. In this custom folder I have another one which is a SAM thread table, for example, this one here. So again, I'll take the file name here. I can again type Customboard custom, the input file name. The output file goes again to images. Let's call this threads.png. And this time we'll put it on the F16 second page, but on the right side. And that's it. We have put our 2 pages on the corresponding kneeboards. and I can show you that real quick. So here I am in a Korea mission, and I'll just directly go to takeoff. So notice here I'm not pressing print for the briefing. That would be for the briefing style kneeboard. I've already done this previously, but Customboards just generates static kneeboards. And so now they should be on the second page, left and right. So let's have a look. Okay, we're in the flight, looking down. Now you see our traditional kneeboard pages generated from the briefing. Those are the first ones. We're now clicking here to go on the second page, and there you have our startup checklist, and on the right page we have our ground thread table. So these were the HTML files we used, and now they're on the kneeboard. Ending this mission again. Okay, and it's really that simple. Now looking a bit at the HTML of those files, just notice that you need to include this CSS file. Well, at least that helps, because the CSS file defines the basic layout and sizes of the pages. So it's better to use this. But then if you're able to write a bit of HTML, then should be no problem to design your page, and then to put any content you like on the kneeboards with that simple custom page command line. Okay, that was it for that. Thanks for watching. Bye.